this video, I will explain to you email writing along with the marking scheme. Note down the question. So first of all, you will write the email ID of the receiver. Now, you have to take care of one thing, that it should seem the original email ID, and you don't have, when you are writing to the principal of a school, you don't have to write the name of the principal. It should be like principal DPS VNS at the rate of gmail.com, like this. And when your email ID of the receiver is correct, you get half mark for this. Now, after writing the address of the receiver, email ID of the receiver, you will write the subject of sending the email. In the subject, you have to explain why you are sending this email. So the subject you can pick up from the given question. So here your subject will be invitation to send your children to take part in the inter-school debate competition. If your subject is correct, you will get half mark for this section. After writing the subject, there comes the salutation. The salutation should be dear sir or dear madam. You will not write ma'am. Full spelling of madam should be there. And dear sir is applicable everywhere, so you can write dear sir only. So write dear sir, and then it will be followed by a comma. And for this section also you will get half mark. Then you will open the body of the email, the subject matter, and here I have written, I am glad to inform you that our school is going to organize an inter-school debate competition. This is the opening sentence. If your opening sentence is proper and grammatically correct, you will get half mark for the proper opening sentence. Then I have written when the competition will be held, on 8th May 2020. Then time at 9 a.m. The venue, auditorium of St. Francis School, smaller to the larger, as we have done in the notice writing. Okay. Then this is the detail of the informations you are supposed to give to the person whom you are sending the email. Now you are invited to send your students to take part in the competition. This is the main point of the subject matter. And the concluding sentence, the last sentence, hope for your positive response. This is a suitable concluding sentence. You may write in other ways, but your concluding sentence should be a suitable. If your concluding sentence is a suitable one, you will get half mark for this section also. Now after completing the subject matter, you will come to the subscription. The subscription will be yours faithfully. Your subscription will be yours faithfully. Again, just as you write in the later writing, Y should be capital. There will be no apostrophe in yours. And in faithfully, F should be small. And after writing yours faithfully, you have to put a comma and then your name and your designation. Like I have written Rohan Kumar and the designation is head boy. So students, you can see the marking scheme. Half for the correct email ID of the receiver, half for the subject, half for the salutation, that is dear sir, half for the suitable opening sentence, half for the suitable concluding sentence, and half for the subscription, that is yours faithfully. So all together 3 marks, and your email writing is of 5 marks. So 3 marks are given in the email writing, 3 marks are given for the correct format. Now next 2 marks are given for the content. So what is the content in your email writing? The content is date, time and venue. Half mark for 8th May, half mark for 9 am, half mark for the auditorium, and half for St. Francis School. So these 4 halves will be 2 marks. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. This way, if you are careful and you are following all these steps in writing the email, you can score the full 5 marks in email writing.